Hi guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. And right now, nandito kami ngayon sa Indang, Cavite para i-feature tong huge private resort villa. And makikita nyo sa loob guys, sobrang bago, sobrang fresh, sobrang linis kasi hindi pa siya nagagamit. Bakit? Itong property na to is a newly built property due for completion within 1 month. Okay, so pasok tayo guys! We can see na nandito yung reception area na nagwe-welcome sa ating lahat. Ayan, ito yung malaking gate. Pagpasok natin dyan, makikita mo bubungad sa iyo yung napakalaking parking space. And of course, ito yung sinasabi natin kanina na reception area. So guys, ulitin ko lang, itong property na to is a private resort villa na newly built and due for completion within 1 month. And guys, sa likod ko, nandito yung reception area ng private villa. Ayan. So pasok tayo para makita nyo kung gaano kalinis. Ito, bagong-bago. Meron tayo ditong split type air conditioner. And of course, yung ating drop ceiling. As you can see, very minimalist and stylish. And of course, itong wall natin is pwedeng-pwede siya for paintings, whatever na gusto mong ilagay. Pwede kang maglagay dyan ng tables, accent, pwedeng accent chairs, pwedeng mga accent na paint. Kung ano man yung nasa personal preference mo, you can put everything in it. Ayan. So, meron din tayong mga refrigerators. 4-door, merong 2-door. And of course, ito yung pinakang counter natin. This is the counter for reception area. And guys, we're now here at the back door of reception area. And as you can see, sa aking likuran, nandito yung one of the amenities in this property. Ito yung 6 feet deep na swimming pool. And of course, nandun yung para sa ating mga kids, which is a kiddie pool. And of course, sa aking right side, dito pa rin sa aking likuran, nandito yung villa. So meron tayong 5 villas here for visitors. And of course, yung nasa gitna, yan yung main house or yan yung ating pinakang main villa dito. So guys, as you can see, I'm at the pool side and makikita nyo tong newly renovated na swimming pool. Nagkaroon tayo ng extension para lumalim siya. Magkaroon ng mas mataas at mas malalim na pool. And of course guys, as I've said, ito is newly renovated. And take note guys, ito is fully functional, including the water pump, the water system, and of course the water filtration. Ayan, so lahat yan fully functional. Meron na rin yung mga lights. And of course, meron siyang water drain. So guys, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa harap ng number 3 na villa, which is a loft type villa. Okay, so pasok tayo, silipin natin sa loob. So guys, upon entering this loft type villa, mapapansin nyo, very welcoming yung space, very spacious. And guys, very good for at least 5 people to . And then sa taas, nandito yung loft type natin. Yan. So, silipin natin yung taas, guys. Pwede ka maglagay ng double decker bed. And pwede ka maglagay ng queen size or king size dito. Good for couples. Or even, pwede ka maglagay ng maraming double decker. Good for family and friends. Yan. So, as you can see, guys, sobrang spacious. As you can see, meron tayong approaching dito na very huge window. And of course, as I've mentioned a while ago, lahat ng facilities is fully air-conditioned. Makikita mo sa front ng villa, nandito yung pinakang view mo sa amenity natin. Yung sa pool side, makikita mo, yan. Makikita mo lahat ng friends mo, family mo, and even the very nice looking view. Guys, so tapos na tayo sa villa. Dito naman tayo sa main house or yung main villa. Here's the montage of this main villa. And of course, papasukin natin yung loob. And bago tayo pumasok sa loob, you can see na yung exterior look niya is very stylish, modern, and minimalist lang yung kanyang look. So guys, upon entering this main house, makikita nyo sa aking left side is yung very stylish na staircase. Ayan, it's a combination of black and wooden color. And of course, dito sa aking right side, andito yung ating one of the bedrooms. And right now, papasok tayo para makita nyo kung gaano kalaki yung space sa loob. Ayan. So, etong room na to guys is equipped with huge glass windows. And of course, now open siya. This one. Yan. Functional naman siya lahat. This one is also fully functional. Yeah. So lahat yan nabubuksan. It's all brand new guys ha. Never been touched, never been used. All brand new. Yeah. Not only that guys, meron din tayong syempre sariling CR dito sa master's bedroom. And as you can see, ayan, meron tayo ditong toilet and bath. And of course, meron na rin siyang lavatory. Right now, we are here at the indoor kitchen of this main villa. And as you can see, this kitchen is composed of granite na tabletop. And of course, a very stylish na modern look. Pero napaka-minimalist na white finish kitchen cabinet. So guys, andito tayo ngayon sa staircase ng main villa. Akyat tayo sa taas. Upon going up the second floor, meron ditong very welcoming na living area. And of course, sa aking likuran, andito yung fully functional na glass window. And pagbukas mo guys, is mag-approach siya yung very fresh na air. And of course, meron tayong private na basketball court para sa mga kids and sa ating mga friends. Guys, let's go to bedroom number 2. So, pagpasok mo, you can see na very welcoming and very maliwanag dito guys ha. Ayan. So, first thing to notice is yung paint. It's all white finish. Ayan. Matte na white finish. And of course, lahat ng windows natin is fully functional. It's all fully functional. Ayan guys ha. Pag open mo, makikita mo ulit, mag-approach yung very fresh air from the outside. Guys, pagpasok mo dito sa toilet and bath ng second floor, meron na siyang fully functional na window. And of course, meron din siyang ventilation system para hindi nagkakaroon ng moisture sa loob ng bathroom. And of course, meron na siyang very stylish and modern look na ceramic tiles. And meron siyang floating na lavatory. And guys, punta na tayo sa balcony. Ayan, so ito yung ating balcony na mag-welcome sa iyo ang fresh air from the outside. And of course, dito sa balcony, meron na rin siyang mga socket na pwede tayo magsaksak ng any appliances or gadgets. And kapag umulan, inabot ng tubig, meron na rin siyang drainage. Dito na tayo sa pangatlong room dito sa villa. Ayan, as you can see, meron din siyang touch of course, ang finish nito is white na matte finish. And of course, meron na naman tayong fully functional na window. Ayan, it's all fully functional guys. And of course, makikita mo yung view natin sa basketball court. After those 3 rooms, meron pa ditong extra na room para sa mga visitors, or pwede rin sa yaya, pwede rin sa driver, or pwede rin sa mga friends. And of course, makikita mo dito, this room is also equipped with fully functional na large window. And of course, meron tayong view from the outside sa basketball court, and meron ding view dito sa ating amenity na swimming pool. At the back of the main house is of course yung one of the amenities dito aside from pool is merong basketball court. Right now, nandito tayo sa basketball court. One of the amenities dito sa ating private resort villa. And of course, pag tinignan mo yung ceiling is napakaliwanag because it is equipped with reflective roofing. And guys, dito sa ating basketball court, di mo kailangan mag-open ng lights kapag morning till afternoon. And in the evening, meron naman tayong fully functional. Of course, libre yung electricity kasi solar-powered lights po yung kinabit natin dito sa basketball court. Guys, dito sa tabi ng basketball court meron tayong common toilet and bath. And of course, etong buong resort is equipped with a very huge water tank in case of emergency na magkaroon ng outage of water source. So guys, as you can notice, kanina pa kami nagbi-video dito and you cannot see any sweatiness kasi sobrang fresh dito, sobrang hangin, sobrang lamig. Even outside, hindi ka pagpapawisan. And of course, sa aking likuran, nandito yung multi-purpose area natin na good for billiards. So, pwedeng maglagay ng mga activities dito like billiard table or table tennis. Whatever you want to put here is always applicable kasi ito yung multi-purpose area natin. Aside from common toilet and bath, meron din ditong very own restroom or shower area para sa ating swimming pool. Ayan. So, meron na siyang shower inside. Yan guys, meron tayong 4 men and of course, meron tayong 4 women. Ayan. So, yung 4 men nandun sa right side and of course, nandito naman yung 4 women. This property is located here at Indang, Cavite, 1 kilometer from Indang Municipal Hall, with highway frontage of 60 meters, and the total lot area of this property is 8,238 square meters. This property is equipped with full air-conditioned facilities that includes main villa and 5 loft-type villas. And it also has amenities such as 3 versus 3 basketball court, 130 square meters reception area, and 18 square meters multi-purpose area. So guys, this property is priced at 57 million pesos. And if you are interested in this property, you can contact us here at the contact information shown at the screen. So guys, thank you for watching.